Let's sail into this next one now. The Jamaica Yachting Association is looking to strengthen the island's pool of young qualified sailors who can eventually represent the nation on the international stage. President Robert Scott says the association is investing in the next generation through 2 sailing training camps targeting youngsters in Montego Bay and Kingston. The first camp is already underway at the Montego Bay Yacht Club with 20 youngsters participating in the program. Scott says the initiative, being led by a certified coach, is part of the association's long-term strategy to develop more competitive sailors and increase Jamaica's chances of success at the regional and international levels.
The youth program that we're having with the Jamaica Yachting Association will take place both at the Royal Jamaica Yacht Club in Kingston and at the Montego Bay Yacht Club in Montego Bay. Through the support of the Jamaica Olympic Association, we have the Commodore of the Montego Bay Yacht Club, Spencer May, who has now been certified as a coach. He's been coaching for years, but he has now been properly certified, spending a month in London.
Scott has tempered his expectations, but he's hopeful that the sport will have a bright future.
Honestly, we're not going to make the next Olympics, but we're in a good space for the Olympics after. The conditions in Kingston Harbour is fantastic. It forces you to train very well to understand how to deal with heavy weather. And through an equipment grant that we had from the Jamaica Olympic Association, the boats that we had, we've actually had them being repaired. So we now have coach, we have a number of youngsters who are interested, and we have the boats.
The second camp will take place in the final week of August at the Kingston Yacht Club.